we are Akhila
and Mom.
Today's video is all about snakes. We are not talking about original snakes, but we are talking about snakes which are cute, colorful and beautiful at the same time. We are talking about paper snakes.
Yeah!
Making these snakes is Akhila's current passion, and she would like to show us how she makes it. So
Yes!
let's get started!
Yes!
Yay! Hope you have enjoyed this video. Akhila and Mom is all about doing simple and exciting activities in limited time. So if you are also looking for ideas which can keep your kids busy, joyful, along with learning some new skills, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification icon. Therefore,
Like, share,